for those who may have not purchased the product yet, I know you're not in that group, but I'm just going to mention this. You can actually download the product, the demo, from the website. So you can just go over here and just go into any one of the products, and you can download a demo. Now, when you download a demo, that's actually the full product, but it only runs in demo mode. Just click the download button, and that'll take you to our download demo page. Complete this form. So you got your name, email, your country, your last name, phone, industry, etc. Very important to select the product that you want to demo. For instance, we have RhinoCAM selected. And also check this box. Check the CAPTCHA box to verify you're not a robot. And then pick the button to send my free demo. Once you do that, you will get an email from MecSoft.com with instructions on how to download the selected demo. So as we mentioned before, always save all of the emails that you receive from MecSoft.com, because you may have to refer back to them at a later time.